Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in just 2 minutes. What if the biggest risk to your future children was already written in your DNA? Every person carries hidden genetic mutations, flaws in our DNA that usually don't cause problems. But when two people from the same family have children, there's a higher chance of these flaws doubling up, leading to serious genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, or even neurological conditions. This is why, for centuries, many societies, and even some religions, have encouraged marrying outside the family, long before science explained why. Studies now confirm that children from close relative marriages can have twice the risk of birth defects compared to those with unrelated parents. History is full of examples. European royal families who married within their own bloodlines for generations developed severe genetic disorders, like the Habsburg jaw, a result of extreme inbreeding. The same genetic risks apply today, which is why modern science recommends genetic screening for families where close relative marriages are common. So, is your DNA a ticking time bomb? Science says, the more diverse your genes, the healthier your future generations. Stay curious, stay kind, and see you next time. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.